Welcome to our discussion on warehouse logistics, the heartbeat of any successful enterprise. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we'll be exploring how you can gain a competitive edge by optimizing your warehouse operations. We'll uncover how you can potentially save up to 50% in warehousing costs through lean principles, and we'll delve into the role of maintenance and warehouse management systems in enhancing logistics. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this video might just be your game changer. Let's dive in. Into the world of warehouse logistics we go. This is all about the people, processes, and programs that keep your items moving in, around, and through your warehouse. When you have an organized warehouse, you save time, cut down on costs, and get your products and services to market faster. In many ways, top-notch warehouse logistics can give you a significant competitive edge. Here's an interesting fact. According to the experts at McKinsey, most companies have the chance to save between 20 and 50% in warehousing by applying lean principles. Imagine that. Up to half of your warehousing costs could be saved. A lot of warehousing revolves around logistical issues such as the flow of physical goods, information, and time. Other factors like managing damaged goods, safety procedures, and customer returns also play a role in warehouse logistics. So how can you start improving your warehouse logistics? One way is by implementing a maintenance management system, or a CMMS, or a warehouse management system. These systems can help facility managers collect and organize data to enhance warehouse logistics. But let's be real. Anything as complex as tracking and managing all the logistical details of a large warehouse is bound to have challenges. Warehouses are dynamic environments, with inventory constantly moving in, around, and out. Now, on to the potential results. When you have accurate data, warehouse logistics can contribute to a safer workplace, increased customer satisfaction, and better overall supply chain management. Take distribution facilities, for example. Those that depend on excellent warehouse logistics can have an exact inventory count and location of all their items in real time. This can result in fewer customer returns because fewer mistakes will be made in picking the correct items. Here's an exciting prospect. You can even program your warehouse logistics system to automatically reorder stock once it reaches a certain level. This means you could potentially never run out of critical items, or at least be notified when a supplier can't deliver the needed items in time. Warehouse logistics also involves stock rotation and movement. This means you can maximize the physical space you have for storing existing inventory at any given moment. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, understanding and optimizing warehouse logistics can be a game changer for your business. And that wraps up our discussion on warehouse logistics. We've explored how optimizing your warehouse operations can give you a competitive edge, the role of maintenance and warehouse management systems, and the potential savings you could achieve. Thank you for watching. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more resources and information, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you achieve your warehousing goals.